Hi everyone, so on to the next part. I think this is the sixth part of my tutorial on integrating a header and a footer onto a ScrollMagic.io component or chunk of code inside a WordPress theme, which is the child theme of Understrap. Okay, so I've got the customize here. You can see Understrap child, and as you can see, this is what I'm planning to do. I mean, I've tried it, it works, and I'm going to show you how all this works. But if I refresh, obviously it's not going to be the same because I've tested it before. I'm just going to do it again, you know. It's important for me to try it. Okay, now what I want here is to insert the header and the footer. I have the header, I have the footer. Okay, 1 minute gone by. I'm going to insert the footer and I'm going to insert the header. Alright, but on a normal, if I do the header, okay, I open it, okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm just paste it somewhere. Okay, this is the portion of the code that works. This is normally how I do things. And I'll take the header code and I'll paste it here and I'll refresh. Right, I just get a header, which is normal because it's just the code for the header. And I'll take the footer code and I don't, since you see that abs path and abs path, so I won't be copying it again. What I will do is I will just delete it, or I can just copy it. I think I'm going to delete it. This is just what I need. Okay, I copy, I don't save it, I close header because I won't be needing it, and I come here because it's the end of the line and I'll paste. I'll save and I'll refresh, making sure my console and everything is not giving me any mistake. Okay, I can also check in mobile, it's working, it's also working, everything is fine, tablet and all of this, Understrap, we're respecting all of it. Alright, now, okay, what I'm planning to do here is the mistakes I've made, the reasons why I had to do all the tutorials once again, was the beautifying of the code, because when I beautify the code, they help me to see where to insert the proper HTMLs, like this for instance. Sublime Text gives me the underline, which isn't here, somewhere around here. So you got the WP footer and the header and all of that, so I'll just be auto formatting this. I don't see this option in this version of Sublime Text. Okay, I've got the head, the body ends. I'll just forward everything. Okay, and I go up. Alright, just for now I'll be deleting this portion of empty codes. Right, as you can see, the div and the div, the wrapper. Now that's where it ends, and if I do this, I have some sort of code beautified. Okay, there we go. In fact, I can put all of this in one line. Okay. Alright, here we go. Now we've got the div, we've got the wrapper bar, site, action, my navbar area, my container. That's the part where the footer ends. So I'll be just inserting footer start, because the codes will start getting a lot when I paste, just to avoid confusion. 4 minutes gone by. Try to make my tutorials less than 10 minutes, less than 5 minutes normally, but sometimes I have to make exceptions. Start, copy, I come here, copy and save is all my lifesavers, and okay. here comes my portion of my code. So ScrollMagic code start, ScrollMagic code end, right, and see, hey yo yo, right, this is what you guys say in the United States. So hey yo yo, check my console, hey yo yo, alright, elements and all of that respected. Now I have my entitled portion of code here, and I will just, you see, now I've got those lines. I will disable the word wrap. Okay, let me just enable it for lack of better imagination. These are the portion of the code that I will be using. I won't be using font, I'll be using the default font of Understrap because I believe you have your own designs. I will insert it before the head because these are codes that were inserted before the heads originally from the test provided. Okay, now I'm leaving some space so that visually you know that these are the ScrollMagic codes. You see, I'm respecting all these, getting the path properly and all of that, and afterwards I go to the body. I take the content wrapper or the example wrapper if I want to. Okay, let me just take all of it because there might be properties. Since it's using ID, I believe it's using properties involved here, and properties for CSS or SCSS. I'll just format it, beautifying the codes, close. You see, it's important to let the codes go. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Navbar start, navbar end, and I've got those. You see, there we go. We start, footer end, start, footer end. Okay. Simple. Let's test. No error. Elements, the site, before testing the wrapper. See, we've got the nav, so it's loading. And if I scroll into view, it's not giving me, but if I click here and I end, I scroll down really fast, you see, I see my stuff, I see my footer, and my infinite scrolling is of course loading, right, showing me here. So we've got the comments and everything. There we go, 8 minutes of tutorial. I think it's more than enough, showing you how to integrate the pages, ScrollMagic.io code into the front page of the site. You can do the same onto single. Of course, there might be a few differences in codes, but it's more or less the same thing, right? You'll see here sample pages, page.php, hello world is a post, so single.php. Thank you very much. I hope to hear from you soon. Feedback and comments and all of that.